Are you encountering a black screen when launching Peak? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially since Peak v4.0. The good news is that it's often fixable. This video will guide you through the most effective troubleshooting steps. We'll cover common causes like outdated drivers or system conflicts and provide practical solutions to get Peak up and running. First, ensure your system meets Peak's minimum requirements. Peak needs at least 8 gigabytes of RAM for optimal performance. Confirm your operating system, whether Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, is supported by your version of Peak. Critically, check your graphics card. Outdated or incompatible drivers are the leading cause of the black screen. Visit the Peak Analytics website for the latest compatibility information. Outdated graphics drivers are the most frequent culprit behind the Peak black screen issue. Visit the website for your GPU manufacturer, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your operating system. A clean install of the drivers can sometimes resolve conflicts. Restart your computer after the installation is complete before attempting to launch Peak again. NVIDIA users should pay attention to version conflicts, specifically with versions around 5.12, and may need to roll back. If updating your graphics drivers doesn't resolve the Peak black screen issue, try running Peak in compatibility mode. This can help bypass problems with newer operating system features that might conflict with the application. First, locate the Peak application icon on your desktop. Right-click on it to open the context menu. Select Properties from the menu. This opens the Peak Properties window. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select an older version of Windows from the drop-down menu, such as Windows 8 or Windows 7. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Launch Peak again to see if the compatibility mode resolves the black screen issue. Corrupted cache or configuration files can cause launch problems. To fix this, locate Peak's application data folder. On Windows, find it in your user profile's app data directory. On Mac OS, look in the library folder. Delete the cache and config folders within this directory. Peak will recreate these files on the next launch. Note that this action may reset your Peak settings. Section 6 focuses on checking for conflicting applications that may interfere with Peak's launch. Common culprits are antivirus software that blocks API calls, firewalls that restrict network access, and performance tools like TensorFlow or Unreal Engine that may consume system resources or cause API conflicts. First, identify potentially conflicting applications. Check for running antivirus programs, firewalls, or other monitoring software. Also note any active data-intensive applications that might be using system resources. Temporarily disable these applications. For antivirus software, pause real-time protection. For firewalls, temporarily turn them off. Close any other resource-heavy programs to free up system resources. Now test Peak by attempting to launch it. Observe if the black screen on launch is resolved without the conflicting applications running. If the issue is fixed, implement long-term solutions. Add Peak as an exception in your antivirus software to prevent future blocks. Alternatively, make it a habit to close conflicting applications before launching Peak. Dig deeper by examining system logs for clues. On Windows, use the Event Viewer. On Mac OS, use the Console application. Look for error codes related to OpenGL, Vulkan, or Peak specifically. Error messages like GL invalid operation or Vulkan error device lost can point to specific driver or resource issues, guiding you toward the appropriate fix. If all previous steps have failed, consider a clean reinstall of Peak as a last resort. First, uninstall Peak completely from your system to remove any corrupted files. Next, download the latest version directly from the official Peak Analytics website. Then, reinstall the software, ensuring you have administrator privileges during the installation process. This clean reinstall can fix issues caused by corrupted installation files. If the black screen issue continues after reinstallation, contact Peak support for further assistance.